Greetings children, this is the fifth part of MCQs from your lesson, the last lesson. This is for class 12 Cbse students. These materials will help you to score full marks in your coming November-December 2021 board examinations. If you didn't watch the previous parts, the links are given in the description box. You can watch. Look at the fifth part, extract based MCQs. But nothing happened. Mose Hamel saw me and said very kindly, "Go to your place quickly. Little friends, we were beginning without you." This passage, this extract we have taken for the MCQ questions. Look at the first question based on this extract. Why did the narrator say that, but nothing happened? The options are: he was welcomed politely by his master. He was sure of being scolded. He expects a rebuke from his master. What happened there was opposite of his expectation. So why did the narrator say that, but nothing happened? So out of these four options, the first one, he was welcomed politely by his master, is the suitable answer, but nothing happened. What he expected, but his master politely welcomed him. So that is the right option. Look at the second question. What immediate change you can see in Mose Hamel? He becomes polite and gentle, maybe. He shows sympathy, yes. He farewells France, no. Realizes the situation and apologizes. He doesn't apologize anything in the story. So the right option is he becomes polite and gentle. That is the change we can see in Mose Hamel. Look at the third question. We were beginning without you. What outlook of the master expressed here? We were beginning without you. What outlook of the master expressed here? Concern for others? Worry due to dutifulness? No. Agitation towards the order? No. Indifference to latecomers? No. So the most suitable answer there is concern for the others. We were beginning without you. Mose Hamel told these words to France. It shows his concern for the boy. So the right answer here is concern for others. Look at the fourth question for the same passage. What made the master for a sudden change of his behavior? What made the master for a sudden change of his behavior? France's frightened face? No. The common cause of the order? Maybe. The presence of the village elders? No. His appearance in dignified dress? So the right option for this question is the common cause of the order from Berlin. Extract 2. This is extract 2. What a thunderclap these words were to me. Oh, the wretches. That was what they had put up at the town hall. This passage and questions. Look at the first question. What were the thunderclapping words the speaker talking about? Look at the options. The order has come from Berlin to teach only German in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. The new master comes tomorrow. Yes. This is your last French lesson. Yes. I want you to be very attentive. Yes. Only C? No. A, B and C? No. A and C? No. All the above? Yes. What were the thunderclapping words? The thunderclapping words were all these. The order from Berlin, teach only German in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. Then the new master is going to join tomorrow. And this is the last French lesson. So everyone to be attentive. So these are the thunderclapping words that France heard. Look at the next question. What does the expression "oh wretches" mean? O wretches mean? Expression of dislike? No. Experiencing something unpleasant? Maybe. Alas? No. Condemn. So, the wretches, oh, the wretches, this expression means experiencing something unpleasant. When we have to express something unpleasant, we say like this, oh, wretches. Look at the third question. What could be the bulletin board born? Born here means, look at the meaning of the word born. The bad news of the French lost the battle. The Prussian would take charge of the districts. Teach only German in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. The appointment of the new French teacher. So, the right option there is what is in the bulletin board. It could be teach only German in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. So, C is the right option. Look at the fourth question. They here refers to whom among the following? Prussians, maybe. The French, no. The people of Alsace, no. The people of Lorraine, no. So, they here means the Prussians. They put the bulletin on the bulletin board. So, they here refers to the Prussians, the German people. Look at the third extract. My last French lesson. Why? I hardly knew how to write. I should never learn any more. I must stop there. Then, oh, how sorry I was for not learning my lessons, for seeking birds' eggs or going sliding on the sand. Look at the questions. What is the mental state of the speaker here? You have to find out the mental state of the speaker. Repentance, maybe. Guilty, no. Dejected. Dejected means sorrow. Sad. Melancholy. Was he melancholic? So the right option there is repentance. Look at the synonyms of repentance. These words can also be given for the mental state of the speaker here. Look at the second question. What else he did instead of attending the class? He went after the bird's eggs, went for sliding on the sand. He felt sorry for it. He must stop his studies. So the answer is only A and B. Yes, A and B. He went after bird's eggs and went for sliding on the sand. Instead of attending class, he used to do these two things as from the story. So, second is the right answer here. Look at the third question. I hardly knew how to write. What does this sentence mean? He knew how to write in French? No. He knew only a little? Maybe. He did not know how to write? Yes. None of the above. Hardly knew how to write here means he did not know. So hardly means negative sense. When we have to say something negative in meaning, we use the word hardly. So he did not know how to write the French. I hardly knew how to write. Look at the fourth question. What did happen there for such a sad situation? We know the sad situation in the classroom. What did happen there? The loss of the battle? No. The order from Berlin? Maybe. The marching of the Prussian soldiers? No. Mosey Hamels leaving the school? No. The real reason was the order from Berlin. The order we already know. Teach only German in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. So that caused the sudden change of situation in the school. Look at the fourth extract. The fourth extract. But I got mixed up on the first verse and stood there holding on to my desk, my heart beating and not daring to look up. Look at the questions. What does the phrase mixed up on mean? First, bewildered, perplexed, confused. Only D? No. C and D? No. B, C and D? No. All the above. Yes, all the above. First, bewildered, perplexed, confused. That is the meaning of mixed up. First here also means the same. Bewildered, perplexed and confused. That is mixed up on. Look at the second question. Why Francois got mixed up on the very first verse? The options are: he did not learn his lessons, maybe. He thought he had enough time to study, no. Because he procrastinated his studies, yes, he procrastinated his studies. He forgot the beginning, no. So the right option out of these four is he did not learn his lessons. That is why he got mixed up on the very first verse. He did not learn his lessons. Look at the third question. Why Franz was not daring to look up his master? His master was so cruel? No. He had an iron ruler in his hand? No. He here means the master had an iron ruler in his hand? No. He couldn't study his lessons? Maybe. Maybe the presence of village elders. So why Franz was not daring to look up at his master's face? Because he couldn't learn his lesson. So he couldn't study his lessons. Fourth question. How do you describe the emotional state of the speaker here? Defenseless? Maybe. Helplessness? Yes, that is much better than defenselessness. Vulnerability? No. Weakness? No. Yes, in a way it is a defenselessness, but the word defenselessness we used when we have to face something, some aggression, some attack. But helplessness is the most suitable word here. The emotional state of the speaker. He was helpless, helplessness. Look at the fifth extract. When a people are enslaved, as long as they hold fast to their language, it as if they had the key to their prison. This is the fifth extract from the text. Look at the first question. What is the circumstance in which the speaker says these words? You have to find out the circumstance. When he talked about the Berlin Order, maybe. When he scolded France, no. When he adored the French language, maybe. During his writing class, no. He mentioned these words when he adored the French language. Adored means he glorified, he expressed, he decorated, he glorified his mother tongue French language. That was the circumstance there. Not about talking about the Berlin Order. Look at the second question. How does the language become their key to the prison? Look at the options. It is their defense tool against the imposed language? No. Mother tongue helps a person to express his feelings and thoughts most lucidly and intimately. That is why the writer says that if we keep our language, that will become key to our prison. They can converse secretly in the prison and get the key. No. The mother tongue is their life birth. So the right option here is the mother tongue helps a person to express his feelings and thoughts most lucidly and intimately. Look at the third question. What does the speaker urge the listeners to do? Protect their mother tongue at any cost? Yes. Mother tongue is the key to prison? No. Mother tongue is their mother itself. Protest against the imposition of German language. So the right option here is protect their mother tongue at any cost. Look at the fourth question. Who is the speaker here and whom does he address? Mose Hamel to France? No. Mose Hamel to the village elders? No. Mosey Hamel to the prescience? No. Mosey Hamel to the class? Yes. D is the right option. So this is the 5th edition of MCQs for the lesson, the last lesson. For more such CBSE related materials, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching till the end.